Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to Moral Science class. Hope you all are fine by God's grace. Stay home, stay safe. Are you learning your lessons? Are you obeying your parents? Yes, good. Previous class we discussed what is love, and also the introduction for love is life. Children, you all know love is like the air we breathe. Love connects us with each other and makes us feel secure and safe. Loving others gives us joy. Love is greatest. Love is wonderful, and it has the qualities like generosity, tolerance, compassion, and care. Now let us read the story given in the book O Konark. Oh, just look at these beautiful pictures, exclaimed Papa. He was holding a magazine with a future on the Sun Temple at Konark. Have you seen anything more heavenly? Papa is holding a magazine in his hand. The magazine is full of beautiful pictures. One picture is attracted by him. That is Sun Temple at Konark. The father is asking, have you seen anything more wonderful than the Sun Temple, Konark? Piyush and Nita looked at one another and exchanged a smile. There he goes again. They thought they knew what he was going to say next. And he said it. How I wish I could take your mother on a visit to Konark. Did you know it is a UNESCO heritage site? The two children, Piyush and Nita, looked at each other and exchanged their smile. Their father was near them, so the children knew father is going to say something. Father said, I wish to take your mother on a visit to Konark. Father asked the children, did you know the Sun Temple is a UNESCO heritage site? What is the full form of UNESCO? The full form of UNESCO is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Piyush was 15 years old and Nita was 14. Ever since they could remember, Papa had been talking about taking Ma to Konark. But even though Konark was not far, there had never been enough money to spare for the trip. Ma could just smile and change the subject, but the children knew that she would love to go on the trip too. Piyush was 15 and Nita was 14 years old. At the age of 15 and 14, children can remember things. Likewise, they remember that father usually says he wanted to take Ma to Konark, but the family don't have enough money to spare for the trip. But the children knew mother loved to go on the trip, so she used just to smile and change the topic when father talks about the trip. Piyush thought a plan. Nita, why don't we plan to send Papa and Ma on a trip to Konark? Piyush has an idea. He asked Nita, why don't we plan to send both father and mother on a trip to Konark? Have you gone mad? We don't have any money, said Nita. So Nita is saying to her brother, have you gone mad? We don't have money. You don't know. But we can manage to make enough money if we take up summer jobs, said Piyush. Our holidays are beginning next week. Why don't we give it a try? Piyush says that if we do some work during summer holidays, we can make money. These two children wanted to make their parents happy. Do you like to make your parents happy? Yes, no. Likewise, these children also wanted to make their parents happy. So they planned to go for summer jobs. More time they were thinking what to do because their holidays were beginning next week. Piyush says, why don't we give it a try? They thought about it long and hard. They talked to their parents and to the closest friends and took their advice. Everyone promised to help. Piyush's best friend was Rajat. Rajat's father owned the pizza place in the shopping mall in their neighborhood. When they approached Rajat's father, he asked Piyush to come to work the next day for 2 months. Nita also got a job with an NGO run by a lady in the neighborhood. The children, they don't know what to do. They asked the teacher, parents and their closest friends for their advice. Everyone gave a promise to help. Rajat was Piyush's best friend. Rajat's father had a pizza shop in the neighborhood. So Rajat's father told Piyush, you can come and work in my shop for 2 months. Piyush's sister Nita also got a job with an NGO run by a lady in the neighborhood. That summer, both Piyush and Nita worked. They told their parents that they had taken up summer jobs for fun. Their parents were little surprised, but they never suspected what the children were planning. So the children were planning something. During summer holidays, Piyush and Nita went to job. They told the parents, we got a job. We are going for a job just for fun. These parents were surprised to see their children going for job, but they never suspected what the children were planning. At the end of 2 months, Piyush and Nita counted their earnings. Could it be enough? They were anxious to their delight. It was just sufficient for a package tour to Konark for 2 people on a luxury bus. Both the children, after 2 months, they counted the money. They were eager to count the money and they were happy. So the money they earned was just sufficient for a package tour to Konark for 2 people on a luxury bus. Can you imagine the expression on Papa's face when he opened the envelope and found the tickets? Can you imagine the excitement and the explanation and the hugs and the tears of joy? What beautiful photographs Papa and Ma took in Konark. So, with their earning, they got ticket for their parents to go to a trip. So, in the picture, you can see father opening the envelope and he is looking the ticket. So, if you do anything for your parents, they will be happy, excitement, and they will show the hugs and tears of the love. So if they visit the corner, they will take beautiful photographs. Yes or no? Yes. Now, the children from this lesson, from the story, what do you understood? Children, what do you understood from the story? The children loved their parents. They were thinking and they did a good job for their parents. They collected money and they got tickets and they arranged a trip for father and mother. Children, you can also try such excitement things in your family. Now, let's understand what the story tells us about the qualities that flow from love. Love makes us more understanding and caring. Piyush and Nita understood how much a visit to Konark could mean to their parents. The children understood a visit to Konark could mean love and care to their parents. Love makes us unselfish. Piyush and Nita were willing to give up their holiday fun and take up jobs instead. Piyush and Nita were unselfish and were willing to take up jobs as their holiday, as they were in their holiday fun. Love makes us look for ways to overcome others' obstacles for the sake of the people we love. Piyush and Nita looked for ways to make their parents' dream trip come true. Love makes us look for ways to overcome obstacles. Piyush and Nita made their parents' dream come true. Love makes us accept a loving gesture from others. The parents felt the love behind the children's gesture. That is why instead of protesting and refusing to take their money, they accepted it gracefully. Everyone was happy and the bonds of love were strengthened. Children's gesture felt love for their parents. They did not refuse to take their money but accepted gracefully. So family was happy with bonds of love. Love does not come with strings attached. It does not come with any expectations of gratitude or reward. It is given and accepted freely. Love will not come with any expectations of gratitude or reward. It is accepted freely. It is easy to love those who love you, but it is a challenge to love those who do not like you also. There are many ways to express love. You may give your friend a gift. You may give your parents a hug. You may give your pet a treat. You may write a special poem for your teacher. Your warm smile and company will show your grandparents that you love them. Love influences the attitude of others towards you. It is easy to love those who love you. The challenge is to care even for those who do not like you. By loving them, you can even change their attitude towards you. Some love quotes are given in your book. So, love is to life, but what the sun is to the earth, love is to life. What the sun is to the earth, it is said by Balzac. Whenever you are confronted with an opponent, conquer him with love. Whenever you are confronted with an opponent, conquer him with love is from Mahatma Gandhi. May my enemies be happy. May my enemies be free. May my enemies be peaceful. It is a part of a Buddhist prayer. I cannot rejoice in the death of someone called the enemy. I cannot rejoice in the death of someone called the enemy. It is from Rashmi Ahmad Muhammad. So children, I think you understood the story. Yes or no? Yes. So that love can make dreams come true. Love can make dreams come true. Love binds people together and creates unity. True love is unselfish. So children, your activity is create your own quote about love. Create your own quote about love. Thank you, children.